Apple cider vinegar is well known for its health benefits, but it can also help you lose weight. Here are 4 benefits of apple cider vinegar for losing weight. 1. A calorie-free beverage. Apple cider vinegar is a low-calorie beverage that can help in weight loss because it only has about 22 calories per 100 grams, 3 calories per tablespoon. Early in the morning, take a glass of water with 1 or 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to potentially reduce abdominal fat. 2. Helps in reducing fat accumulation. Acetic acid, the primary component of vinegar, has been demonstrated in a research to inhibit the accumulation of fat. Consuming apple cider vinegar regularly may help avoid metabolic syndrome by lowering obesity. If this video is of any value to you, subscribe to Healthy 24/7 for more videos. 3. It keeps you satisfied for a longer period of time. A study discovered that the acetic acid in apple cider vinegar keeps you satisfied for longer, avoiding overeating and cravings. You'll be able to eat fewer calories as a result, which will result in true weight loss. 4. Controls blood glucose levels. Apple cider vinegar may help stabilize blood sugar levels, particularly after consuming a meal high in carbohydrates. Blood sugar levels must be stabilized for weight loss to be both healthy and successful. Have you lost weight using apple cider vinegar? Let us know in the comments. If you want more information about apple cider vinegar, watch this next video.